And ready?
Your favorite place? No? It's the
jacuzzi.
jacuzzi slash the cave.
So you know
Right.
the coolest part about this?
What?
Eliya's fun time.
Where are we going, Kenzo? Uy, Kenzo, where are we going? Fantasyland Hotel. This is the what? The third floor entrance. Oh, thank you, Chloe. Hey, help, Kenzo. Okay, go. So heavy, right? This is also the entrance for the mall, right? That is one of the team room, right?
Wow!
Restaurant? That's the way to the mall, right? Alright. And this is their L2 grill. And this is the entrance for our hotel. Go! Do you know what floor? Yeah, 10th floor. Oh, next time we should always use this, no? Because downstairs it's always busy, right?
Two hours later.
Hey guys, let's go to a room. But when you step out of the elevator, you see these two tiki statues.
Wow!
Nature, backdrop.
Polynesian. Oh, I never noticed this before. Butterflies.
And even the carpet.
Oh, they also have like iguanas on the right?
Look at the ground. Look at the ground.
Oh my god, perfect, right?
And then there's like what is this, bamboo?
Even the lightning, right? The lighting is like yeah.
And that's what the hallway looks like. It's very Hawaiian.
Hawaiian. There's like tiki statue, right? Decorations and everything. All the way to the end.
And this one's a room.
Look at the roof, right? That's our room. Corner unit, Atiya.
This we got a corner room. So I'll close that open. There's our box again. And there is when you walk in.
This is where we put our luggage, right?
Yes.
And safety box is here too, right?
And one.
Yeah. Yay, all our stuff is there.
Before I shut the door.
Oh, even look at the wallpaper. It's like bamboo, right?
Bamboo, like the one outside in the hallway. And there. And there's two tiki
Oh, look at
and
the.
look at this.
Yeah. It's like a bamboo hut, right? Kind of roof.
And then there's this.
Oh, look at the
And Chloe,
decoration, right? Oh, what are you calling, Chloe? You're gonna order food again?
and coffees and our coffee.
Fridge downstairs, right? Fridge.
That's not
That
the
is a fridge.
Yeah.
See? And
Who's watching the cartoons, Kenzo? This is where we're gonna eat all our food, right? What's that? A sliding door?
sliding door leads to the
Whoa!
Wow!
Oh.
So there's this clear shower
Yeah.
and then a sink.
Oh, I like the shower. It's like the rainfall kind
There's
of
a rainbow.
shower, right? It's like a rainfall.
It's a very big,
Yeah.
big shower head. And
Nice.
we got some free soap
Whoa.
and a seashell looking towel.
I'll take that too. Oh, nice.
And there's this marble sink. And then these blue walls and then these pretty whatever showcases.
And that's Kenzo's favorite place, the toilet, right?
That's where you sleep. This is
Okay,
your
what's your
toilet.
favorite? Okay, I'll ask you guys question. What's your favorite place in the room? Show them your favorite place in the room.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
Ready?
Wait.
You see nothing.
Wait, show that first before you show your favorite place. The decoration.
There's more tiki statues. And then this chair. And then
Is
look,
the chair or table? Or
that's a
drum?
chair.
Or drum?
That's a chair for
Oh,
that.
our view. Show them our view. Hi, Mama. Say hi to Mama. Wow.
This is dark.
See, we have an extra chair slash bed too, right?
So you look
Oh,
nice.
Kenzo's drumming right now. Look at the view. Oh my God,
And
sunset.
look, there's a sunset.
Yeah. We saw the sunset earlier, but it's too late to see.
Ow, it's dark now.
Yeah.
Moments later.
And ready?
Yeah, your favorite place? No? It's the
jacuzzi.
jacuzzi slash the cave.
So you know
Right.
the coolest part about this?
What?
Is this. Let's go.
Whoa, there's a fountain. It's like a waterfall, right? In the cave. Whoa.
See you later. When we use the jacuzzi.
I go in the hot tub.
Now we're enjoying our jacuzzi with bubbles.
Wait, I'm going to.
And Chloe and Kenzo has lots of toys. And her water fountain is on.
Oh, I like it. Oh, a nice flower too, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're like in a cave, guys.
And this is all Chloe's toys. This is also Chloe's toys. Today we're using the jacuzzi, but tomorrow we're going to the water park. Yay!
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you later. We're gonna go use the jacuzzi. See you later. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.